Today, we're making a rich, hearty Bolognese sauce that's packed with deep, slow-cooked flavor. Here's the twist. Did you know the spices in this dish have a history more fascinating than the recipes itself? Stick around because you won't want to miss this.
So my three ingredients are tomatoes, which are in the cans.
The different meats I'll be using.
Spice is what makes a dish. Spice adds either heat or other elements, flavor. It's all amazing. So let's spice it up. Meatballs in the freezer. And so that's where these came from. So I'm going to add the meatballs to it, but those will be set aside. As well as I'm going to put in this hot sausage.
Spicy!
Now, it's not really hot once it gets mixed in with all the ingredients, trust me. It just puts a little bit of heat. And I like thick spaghetti. Have you guys ever had thick spaghetti? To me, it's the best. I love it. All right, spice. First thing is first.
Let's get spicy!
How important spices are and how vital they are and how good they are for you. Did you know that each spice, it has a different component of the health benefit of different spices? Really wonderful. And especially in a piece like this, you can actually add a few key things and you won't even be able to detect it. Adds either heat or other elements, flavor. It's all amazing. So when I grind it, it makes it freshly cracked. I love and cause enough friction for the oil that is inside of the spice for that to come to the surface and to bring your flavor from here to here. Really, it's that good. That much of a difference, trust me. And it's wonderful. And you know what? It smells like a batch of spaghetti. Would you please help me by subscribing and liking? Thank you so much. So now we've got those all together. Our spices done. All right. And pepper I'll put in. And you know what? I'll put in salt later.
And then in a few minutes, we'll put some garlic down there. Just a quick sauce. I like the chunkies because I am, or some people would say curvy. In the wrong areas, more like bulgy. And then it needs just a little bit of time. I made spaghetti sauce all on my own.